As we know that we require a language for communication, in the same way we require some programming language to communicate with the machine. But machine understands only one language, that is machine language. Machine language means it consists of binary codes, that is 0 and 1. But nowadays we see there are many programming languages like Python, C++, Java, Perl, PHP, etc. But computer is not able to understand them because every machine understands only one language, that is machine language. Then how we can communicate with the machine? Let us take a simple example. If I want to communicate with you in the language of Japan, that is in Japanese, and you are not able to understand the Japanese language, then what you will do? You will take a translator which will convert English into Japanese so that you can understand the language. The same process is here. I am communicating with the machine through the programming language such as C++, Java or Python, but computer is not able to understand them. Then for the understandability of the computer, we require a translator which convert this programming language into the machine language. That converter is known as the language processor. So we require a language processor which converts the programming language into the machine language. Language processor is a category of system software. There are three types of language processor, that is assembler, interpreter and compiler. Assembler. Assembler is a language processor which converts assembly language into the machine language. Assembly languages, we use these in the second generation of computer languages. In second generation of computer languages, we give instruction to the machine in the form of mnemonic codes. So, machine requires an interpreter, or we can say a converter, which converts this assembly language into the machine language. Another language processor is interpreter. Interpreter is a language processor which converts a high level language into machine language by processing them line by line. Means it checks all the lines line by line. If there is any error in the program, then it report you the error, and after removing the error, it proceed to the next line. So the execution of interpreter is little slower because it converts the line and checks the error line by line. The third language processor is compiler. Compiler is a language processor which converts a high level language into machine language in one go. So all the codes written in high level language are compiled in one go, and all the errors present inside the codes reported in one go. So you can process the program in a faster manner in comparison to interpreter. A program executes only after removing all the errors from the program. So let us conclude. Language processor. Language processor is required to convert a programming language into the machine language. Language processor are of three types, that is assembler, interpreter and compiler. Assembler converts assembly language into machine language. Interpreter converts high level language into machine language line by line. And a compiler converts high level language into machine language in one go.